Me no born here so. You see me I say? Me a naturalized citizen. And at any point in time, them can work up their law and do what they want to do. Revoke my citizenship. Tell me say go back to my country. And whenever that time come, that time come. But up until them do that, me nah gonna live my life in a fear. Me refuse to live my life in a fear. A one person fear and a God. Yes, what me I say because me believe in a God and some people are gonna say God nah nothing to do with it. But that are for them. But a God are my orchestrator in my life. You see what me I say? And 4 years, me I go sit down 4 years in a fear, frightened to go out the door, sit down, can't go nowhere, just afraid and all these things. This may not be the last type of president like this. You see me I say? We can get a next president. We are going to be the same or even worse. We are going to continuously live in a fear until you're dead. Me just can't live my life in a fear of the things them we might go do. The things them we might do and the policies them we might do affect me. Cause them thing they affect, everybody. Everybody. Whether you vote for him or not, anything we might do, it affect you in some way, shape, or form. But me just refuse to just live my life in fear of the things that we might do, or a fear say one day ICE are gonna come pick me up. And me no know a reason them would have to do that. You see what I say? Because me not commit no crime. You see what I say? Me not commit no crime. Me no illegal. Me go through the proper channels them where if come here. Me not come here illegal. You see what I say? So if you just continuously live your life in a fear. You see me? Me refuse to do that. I me just feel like say we have to live. We have to live at the end of the day. You see me? I say as long as you trust in a God. You see me? I say and ask God to direct you. And you not go out there go commit no crime. And you go out and go make your honest bread. For you and your family. Not live your life in a fear. Not live your life in a fear because all of the foolishness them what him a do. You see me as me say to a man say, whenever them say, alright, we done with you, we no want you in our country no more, what me can do about it? Nothing me can do about it. You see me I say? I guess I did so my American journey done. You see me? And whatever investments me have here, me take it and go back on my yard. You see me I say? It's simple as that, you see me? But up until that time, up until them tell me say, me have to go on back on my yard, just I go live my life. Live my life, me not make none of them change or put no fear in me or change the way me live my day-to-day life. Me law abiding citizen. Me go on my work, do my job, not thief nobody things, work my honest bread, take care of my family, and live and enjoy my life and just seek happiness and just live your life until God ready for you. Because at the end of the day, a God are the superior power over everything. The big bad and mighty America now have nothing over God. Anyway, God say your thing there, and they say it there. So you have to just trust in a God. Now go out there and do the wrong things. You see me I say? And just live your life and just be happy. So just they say thing there. And I know say, as me say, this enough to make light of the issue. Because the issue is real. Because my mother is in a that particular predicament where she fearful to do things, to go out the door, to go up on the road. You see me? And she may not be a citizen like myself. She don't have a green card. Or she's still fearful. And me know say she is not the only one. Many people out there, especially the older people, them, fearful. Even people with citizenship, fearful. But me just have to just live, you know? Can't make this money I just control your life, you see me? Every single day I want different foolishness I go on with. So we can't make him control your life. Just live your life, enjoy your life, trust in a God, and enjoy your family until God ready for you. Until the next video, bless up.